Thank you for driving it. Wow, that's fun.
That was a blast. It is a very playful car.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's a sweetheart. I mean, the car is just a sweetheart.
This is a lot of fun. I've always wanted to drive one, and
they did a good job.
They did.
I mean, this was 12 years ago with the technology and everything available at the time, and under huge duress.
Yeah.
The big story with this car, a lot of people don't know, is the moonshot effort to put this together in 16 months. You know, Bill Ford approved this car in March of 2002, and it had to be ready for the centennial celebration in June of 2003.
Well, both cars were on a pretty tight.
Yeah. No, when I heard the deal with the new car, I'm like, well, here we go again. Ford. Like, apparently Ford can't produce a great car unless they're under great pressure to do so in a short time.
Well, this thing was a blast to drive. Power was good, brakes were good, transmission definitely neutral and playful. You can make it do what you want it to do.
Steering's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah, the steering was great. So I'm really excited to see what you think of the new car, because in terms of, like, I think a driver's car is a car that does what you tell it to do. If you give it an input, it responds. If you are aggressive, it responds aggressively. If you're smooth, it's smooth. And also, if you want it to oversteer, it will. If you give it the inputs to understeer, it won't. And there's no underlying quirk that you're fighting against.
Right. All right, so tell me your name and your racing pedigree prior to jumping in my Ford GT.
So I'm Billy Johnson. I drive the number 66 Ford GT in the World Endurance Championship, and also I was one of the two main test drivers of the new Ford GT street car, as well as involved in the development of the race car and the GT350 and 350R Mustangs as well. I've never driven this generation Ford GT. This is the first time here at Salt Lake City, Utah Motorsports Park, and the first time I ever driven the car, it was a blast. It really has a lot of the similar characteristics that the new GT has, in terms of it does everything you want it to. It will oversteer if you give it the inputs to oversteer. It will understeer with the right inputs. Very well balanced, neutral, and playful car. I think it's an excellent car. I might be a little bit biased due to my involvement with the new car, but I definitely would say that if you're familiar with this generation Ford GT, the new car has that exact same character, but just takes it to a completely different level in every aspect. But definitely the DNA still remains in the Ford GT, and it was great to have the opportunity to drive this, and I really appreciate it.
Thank you, Billy. It was a lot of fun riding with you in the car.
Thank you.